scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Motion graphs can be tricky, but we can solve this position time problem fast by looking at the slope to find the student's velocity quickly. The instantaneous velocity of the student is represented by the slope of the position time graph at any specific point, so we need to find where that slope is exactly 0. The velocity is 0 whenever the graph reaches a peak or a valley because the tangent line is horizontal there, meaning the student has momentarily stopped moving in any direction. From the graph, there are 3 distinct turning points where the slope hits 0, making option C the only correct statement for this motion. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Avoid rush and watch signs. Trust given data and check steps.